What's up? So tonight I have a little project to do. I'm building a holder for a nitrous system for a 720S Mclaren. What it's going to do is it's going to bolt between these two top bolts, and then you'll be able to see the nitrous through the back of the car. So here's the first piece of it. This will go between the two bolt holes. I simulated it, make sure everything's going to work properly. And that's it. Sorry it's a little loud, it's the air from the CNC. So because I'm only doing one piece, I'm not going to make a fixture for it. I'm just going to use the blue tape with super glue. So here we go. So we have the piece glued on. We're letting it set up real quick. This side I'm just going to face real quick on my facing program for the plate. Just going to take off the bare minimum so it makes it look good. Retape it and then start over again and let it rip. Unfortunately I have to go a little bit slower on this because it's aluminum, it's gummy because it's bendable. So I'm letting it rip as fast as I can go. It's only going 58 inches per minute, but it'll make a short work of it. We got one side, the one side face. I just put it on my facing program till it stops here. This part is only going to be this big, but I get these for so cheap that once I'm done, I'll cut what else would I need out of it. So there it is, the first half. Then the nitrous solenoids are going to sit in between this on another plate that's going to be welded on. So let's get this out. I'll get it deburred and then we'll make the other plate. So I made the other part. I post-processed it. I'm walking to the CNC room and then I'm going to cut it out. Alright, so I'm ready to start the second piece. Go to position, set my machine to tape because it's an older machine and I have to drip feed it. I normally hit reset a couple times just to clear it out, make sure. Start. It's saying that it's ready. Come over here to the drip feed. I normally turn it down slow because it's a program that I've never run before. So it's done. And that's it. So I'll hold the nitrous. I spot drilled the holes. I probably could have made this a little bit quicker. I probably could have made it in like 3 minutes, 2 minutes. But I wanted the texture of the smaller bit. So I did it with a 1/4 inch when I faced it to give it that sparkle when the light hits it. So let's get this all assembled, see what it looks like. So I got both pieces made, both pieces fit, deburred, all ready to go. I mocked everything up, it fit. So today I'm gonna get to use my Everlast TX2K. I have not used it on aluminum at all, so I'm kind of scared to fuck up this piece. But we'll see what we can do. I don't have my other welder here, so this is all I have, so I have to use it. I'm using number 7 gas lens torch on number 9 torch. So I got it all set up, all welded, all deburred, and for the first time doing AC without changing any of the AC balance, other than just changing post flow, just so the tungsten wouldn't change colors. It came out pretty good. I think with a little adjustment to my old specs, it'll work amazing. So I can't wait to do more videos on that. So we're just going to start putting everything together. We're going to start with getting the purge valve all set up. Alright, so I got it all machined. These are all bolted on. That's how the lines go. They just miss each other. They're offset, so they miss each other. You see I got a spacer, so that brings it up. And it's bent to the cover. So I'm going to clean up this wiring real quick. I'm going to probably do weather pack terminals on it, but let me see what I can do right now. So that's it for the night. This is what it came out like. You got your nitrous, fuel, purge, all contained. Both lines run across so they can go to each throttle body. Not bad. Hey, so have a good night. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. And post another video, see what I can. Thanks for watching.